gentlemen, good afternoon. Today we're going to be installing the Loraffe under hood ultrasonic rodent repellent for automobiles. Pretty easy install. Probably should take you 10-15 minutes depending upon your application. I have one on my Corvette, I have one on my minivan, and now I'm putting one on my 1998 Lexus LS400. So I'm going to take this out of the packaging and show you what we got. All right, step one is going to be, I just unwrapped this little wiring harness thing. And so for my application, I actually have this wing nut that's kind of holding on my positive. I may just use that just because it's easy. I need to clean this terminal. I know, wow, that's kind of stuck. Maybe I'll just use the 10 millimeter. Now, whenever you're using an extension, you want to make sure that you're not going to come into contact with any metal. So I think I should be okay, but I'm going to have to be a little bit on the cautious side. That's not a 10 mil. All right, folks, welcome back. So you know how I said, oh, it's an easy job, it'll take 5 or 10 minutes. Yeah, it's been like a good 30-45 minutes now. I had some serious trouble with this right here. I'm not even sure what size that is, but this positive terminal just needs to be completely replaced. I didn't have time to go do that, so what I did is just took everything apart. As you can see, that's all nice and shiny now. And fellers, this is your best friend here. Get you a good wire brush and just get that, clean up everything. So in any case, I took all of this apart. I recommend taking this little battery brace off, because I actually discovered what happens if you touch positive and negative at the same time. I got lucky, folks, really lucky. So anyway, don't do like I do, take this off first. I eventually did take it off. It's just a 10 mil here and a 10 mil here, and you just have to take this little cover off. So in any case, took all that apart, took that apart. As you can see, I've installed the negative in here. The positive I just decided to put up here just to keep it easy. And right now I'm just trying to figure out like where I'm going to route the cables. But I'm kind of thinking I'll just bring them kind of over to here. And I may just zip tie it to my little fuse block, which, isn't terribly kosher, but I'm going to just do it anyway, because I do want to keep it away from all of the action here from the 1UZ. So I'll check back in a minute. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. I went ahead and did the rest of the work off camera. As you can see, I just kind of attached with a couple of zip ties right there. That's got an on-off switch, and you just plug in the power wires there. And I went ahead and I just kind of ran the cables kind of down through here, and I tucked them through the fender. There's a little channel in there. Just kind of pull up the weather stripping. And I fed the wire through there and over. Now, truth be told, I could do a better job. I just kind of ran out of time, and this will work for now. If you really wanted to make this look slick, I'd probably get some loom or some electrical tape and wrap these red and black wires together, and then kind of tuck them under some stuff and kind of hide them a little better. But this is what I did for today. I thought I was only going to need like 2 tools. Instead, I used a whole bunch of tools. That's how it goes. But I hope this is helpful. And for me, I really hope this works. I'm not sure if that's the best place for it, but I just know that there's clearance for it, and that was kind of my biggest consideration today. So I just know the hood's not going to hit it, and it's not going to be in the way of anything, and it's also not too close to any moving parts or extreme heat. So that kind of seemed like the best place. And truthfully, the ultrasonic pulse that it's making is pretty loud and annoying. Like, I can hear it, and it's making my teeth itch. I mean, it's like a little tapping sound. I don't know if you can hear that. I'll get you up close. Yeah, it really sounds terrible. So I'm hoping the rats hate it. So we'll see. Like I said, I hope this helps. And if you have rats or squirrels or mice or anything trying to chew up your car, you might give this a shot. Ultrasonic rodent repellent made by Loraffe. And comment down below. There's the strobe lights. Comment down below if you've had experience with this, or if you've tried something else that worked even better. I'd love to hear it. Anyway, please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.